This 2026 Coachmen Pixel P1.8RB is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 17 feet 0 inches in length and features a B interior, sleeps 2, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B RV features rear bath. This 2026 Coachmen Pixel P1.8RB is built on a Ram ProMaster 3500 high roof chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.